What's up, everybody? Alex O Crypto here with the Market Cipher A update here to help you guys trade better on a daily basis. Now, I have this little cheat sheet on the resources in our Discord to help you trade better. So first, we're going to jump into this and we're going to look at how I use Market Cipher A to become more of a confident, profitable trader on a daily basis. Looking at here in my inputs, well, for me, I do not use the ribbons. I do not use a couple of things here because I don't find them helpful in the way I trade. But the ribbons here, you can see when they go bright, that is a bullish trend to the upside. And when they go gray, you can see over here, that is going to the downside, depending on if it's below or above these ribbons. Now, getting into the settings here, I like to turn off all these ribbons here in order to clear up my charts and have them less cluttered, because I do not like to have clutter all over this. And we'll go into the symbols and what they mean and what they do. But with the ribbons, just know that they keep us on task with the trend, because the trend is your friend until the end. Now you can see there's many different dots and diamonds and continuation things, and we'll get into them. So first of all, when we look at this cheat sheet here, we can see that my head might be in the way, but first is a green dot continuation, right? So where do we see green dots? We see green dots here. We can zoom out. We can see green dots here, green dots here, green dots here. Now this is just a continuation of a bull trend. So when you see a green dot, notice that yes, we may be getting a pump and it may continue, right? Not always do these play out. Now this is the 5-minute or the 3-minute time frame, so they will be stronger on all time frames. Now, they will be stronger on longer term time frames. Now, keep that in mind. So when we're looking at an hourly green dot, or we're looking at, you can see one here, big continuation, right? So when we're looking at these signals throughout Market Cipher A, we got to realize that they're more stronger that the longer the time frame is. So if we're looking on the daily, they're going to be more powerful, right? If we're looking on the 5-minute, they're not going to be as strong. So keep that in mind when looking at this. Next, we have the yellow X's. These are bearish cautionary signs. They're here to warn us that, hey, we are going to continuation. In my opinion, it's a continuation of a downtrend. So I like to see when I see maybe a red diamond and then an X, which means we're going to continue this downtrend and continue to work our way down. So a yellow X, a YEX, is definitely a continuation, right? Now, looking over at the blue triangle, these are reversals. Now, one of the key reversal signals that we got on the weekly, now this is a weekly time frame, we got a blue diamond reversal pattern, which could possibly bring us down immensely because it's on such a higher term time frame. So keep that in mind when looking at the higher term time frames. Keep your eye out for these things because they could be much more significant in the long run. So bluish diamonds are definitely neutral, but trend change in direction. Now, the yellow diamond, we're going to get onto this yellow diamond, and this is a bullish continuation, right? Bullish continuation. You can see it playing to the upside, and I tend to take the yellow diamonds off of my chart because I don't find them as useful. Same with these red diamonds here, not the blood diamonds, but the red diamonds. So what I will go and do is I will go in, I will find the red diamonds and I will take them out, and I will also take out the yellow diamonds as well because I find that they're not as strong and it just clutters up my chart. So what I'll do is I'll keep the red X's on, which will signal a downtrend. So the red X is bearish, right? Red X is bearish. Yes, we have the red diamond, but you get a lot of them and they're not really that helpful in my opinion. So I will take them off and I will look for the red X's, which signify actual bearish moves throughout the chart. Now going on, furthermore, we can talk about the blood diamond, the famous, the beautiful, the blood diamond, right? And you can see them here on the chart. They are significant and they move us down quite a lot depending on the time frame. Now remember, time frame with these signals, they're not exact all the time, but on these time frames, boom, blood diamond, big drop. Blood diamond, big drop, right? So keep our eyes out for these blood diamonds because they can have significant moves in price action, right? Now, the way I use this Market Cipher A on a trading basis is that I like to flip through the time zones and see what is being given to me throughout, right? And as we look throughout, you can see that since I've removed a lot of those smaller indications, we get very key indicators that are saying, hey, look, we're coming down here from that red X, right? So as we go throughout the time frames and we add them to our chart, they can be significant in the fact that they help us with an extra confluence in our trading strategies. So that's how I use Market Cipher A to continue to profit from these charts and extract profits and be ready for trade setups. They're great for confluence, they're great for scalping, they're great for many things, but mostly they're great to help me realize when a trend is changing and when to enter as well. So thank you so much for joining me. That's the Market Cipher A. We have much more coming your way. We're going to go through Market Cipher B. We're going to go through many other different types of indicators that will help us become more profitable traders. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.